Can AI solve problems better than humans? AI is advancing faster than ever, solving problems in ways we never imagined, but can it really surpass human intelligence? AI excels in processing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and making predictions with incredible accuracy. In fields like medicine, AI detects diseases earlier than doctors. In finance, it predicts market trends faster than human analysts. AI-powered systems like DeepMind's AlphaFold have cracked scientific problems that baffled researchers for decades. Humans rely on creativity, intuition, and experience to solve problems. AI, on the other hand, follows data-driven logic, often outperforming humans in repetitive and analytical tasks. But AI lacks emotions, ethical reasoning, and true understanding. It can't think outside the box like humans can. AI struggles with common sense, AI struggles with real-world unpredictability, AI struggles with moral dilemmas. It depends entirely on the data it's trained on. Bad data leads to bad results. Unlike humans, AI can't improvise, AI can't understand context in the same way we do. The best results come from AI and humans working together. AI enhances human intelligence, speeds up decision-making, and automates tedious tasks. Rather than replacing humans, AI is a tool that expands our capabilities. AI may solve problems faster, but true innovation still relies on human creativity. So, is AI really better than humans? Or are we just getting started in this incredible partnership? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay updated on AI.